Good morning. Practice, practice. Oh, this is Awel, AWEL. Uh, I'm thinking, I'm choosing between topics, friendship, whether to talk about serenity, which is prominently in front of the Lord's Prayer. Tandaan niyo ba yan? The Lord's Prayer. So, please Lord, please grant me, ano ba yan? Oh Lord, please grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. Ayun, serenity. So, serenity, medyo may ano na ako, meron na akong tawag dito, parang suspect na about the meaning. But so, what I did, just to be sure, mga ka-friendship, so, ginugol ko na lang. So the serenity is the state, babas, of calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Mga ka-friendship, you can just imagine, di ba, yung serene, serenity, the coolness, the relaxation, and everything. Ba't ko naisip ito, mga ka-friendship? Because I heard from, sino ba ito? Jack Ma. Jack Ma said, if and when you're waking up between 3 and 5 o'clock most of the time, mga ka-friendship, don't despair, don't feel bad, because this is a blessing. If you will look at it positively, it is a gift. But you should consider this a gift wherein you'll be meeting. Ako na yun. Because when I tried it, and then I learned about serenity and all these things, ako na yung nag-connect, and then I appreciate this period in our day, wherein I believe that it's the only time where you can meet and experience serenity. It's between 3 and 5. Ando yun sa gitna. Ando na yung the beauty of time, wherein it's all yours, mga friendship. And this is the time, according to Jack Ma, this is the time to meditate. This is the time to you'll be able to talk to yourself and all these things. Pero I discovered something else, mga friendship. This is also the time that I met the sound of silence, mga friendship. Another word that I've been medyo confused a little, because I've heard of the word deafening silence, mga friendship. And this is now the very popular song, which is the sound of silence. And then by understanding the sound of silence, mga friendship, through serenity, mga friendship, that time that Jack Ma is referring to, between 3 and 5, then you can really feel the meaning. You do feel and understand the meaning of the song, mga friendship, and the words, sounds of silence, mga friendship. You do not makikita, di ba? Hello darkness, my old friend. Ganon. So, medyo dark pa yun. This is before dawn, mga between 3 and 5. Ganon. And then, I've come to talk to you again. This is the time that you can talk to yourself in silence, mga friendship. And then with this you can feel it. you can feel it, and then you recognize the the meaning of calmness, peacefulness, untroubled. As long as you think positively of friendship, this is a beautiful setup, and this is a beautiful time that we are experiencing. And I usually wake up between that time, that between 3 and 5. But I did learn. I didn't know. I was really, because I was really not really focused on the beauty of the time with the word serenity. Lord, please grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. So how do you find the things that you cannot change? Via this word, serenity. And when you go deeper, mga ka-friendship, this is happening between 3 and 5 a.m. Di ba? So it's a beautiful, it's a beautiful discovery for me. Thank you for Mr. Jackma, who, uh, who, who told me to check it out. And that's what I did. And then nagkaroon pa ako ng bonus. I had a bonus ng about the sound of silence, mga kapatid. The sound of silence, it's beautiful. And then when you appreciate the song through its lyrics, because now you understand, now you know what the sound of silence is. Diba? In narrow streets of cobblestone, in the halo of beneath the street lamp. So use your imagination, mga kapatid. This is 3 to 5 a.m. Anywhere you are. You may around the world, it's 3 to 5 a.m. It's the same, mga kapatid. And try it. Check it out, mga ka-friendship. Once a month. Lalo na for those who are really my age, siguro, who wakes up at 3 in the morning. Beautiful, and you'll be thankful. You'll be you can feel you're blessed. So thank you. It's just a short practice. Actually, this is just a practice session. I don't know. I'm not sure yet whether I upload it or not. Maybe I'll do it. Okay. Thank you.